Hello, and welcome once again to the PC Security channel. Apparently some interesting stuff happened while I was away, one of which is the rapid ransomware attack. This has been going on since early January, but I just came across a sample, so we're going to check it out and see what it does. First of all, I'm going to show you my setup. So I have some important data over here that you can see. Then I have some pictures, and we also have a shared folder to see if it actually encrypts that too. And we have some advice from Jurassic Park, which is neat. So now we're going to go ahead and execute this ransomware. Seems to immediately create the recovery message. Our pictures are already encrypted, so are the documents. The extension is .rapid, and our shared folder goes down as well. Now, the interesting thing about this particular threat is that it continues to sit in memory even after doing its job. As you can see, it just stays there, rapid, takes up a decent amount of memory, and every time you actually create a new file or copy anything over, it's going to encrypt that as well. You know how you have like real-time anti-malware? This is real-time ransomware. So what that means is like any new document you create, let's say this is important. I have some very So let's just save this and go ahead and close it. Within seconds, it is effectively destroyed. So not only does this ransomware completely destroy any data you have on the system, it also continues to encrypt whatever you create, making your system unusable until it is removed. So in case you get infected with any ransomware these days, it is usually a good idea to just stop using the system until you have it removed, because you never know what's going on in the background. That is it for me for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe if you did. This is Leo, and as always, stay informed, stay secure.